If you're tired of posting every day on Instagram and TikTok and still not seeing any sales, stop right now, because I'm about to show you the exact email marketing strategy that consistently makes me $7,000 a month selling digital products without posting a single thing on social media. Email marketing is literally the closest thing to cheating when it comes to selling digital products. And in this video, I'm going to show you the receipts that prove that email marketing beats social media every single time, how to start and grow your email list, even if you're a complete beginner starting from scratch, and my exact 4 money-making email styles that you can copy and paste to start selling your own digital products on autopilot. So you're gonna wanna watch this one right to the end, because honestly, no one teaches this stuff. And just so you know, I actually send all of my emails through Omnisend. They're sponsoring this video, but more on them later. Right now, let's start with the receipts. So if you're someone who doesn't want to burn out posting every day, but still wants consistent income online, you need to see this study from McKinsey. They found that email marketing is 40 times more effective at driving conversions than social media. Yes, 40 times. So if you're spending all your time and energy trying to promote your product on social media, but you have no idea when you're sending your next email, or even how you plan to start growing your email list, you are literally 40 times less likely to make sales and make money. So we need to fix that. And how do we do it? We are going to start growing your email list. And the best part is you can do this even as a beginner without any tech experience. It all starts with your freebie. And I want you to think about your freebie like this. And because I'm a Brit, this makes perfect sense, okay? Your freebie is like your tea bag, okay? If you're having a cup of tea, you know you need a tea bag. And your digital product is your mug, your hot water, your milk. So you can't have one without the other. You can't have tea with just a tea bag and no hot water, no mug, and no milk, okay? And so the freebie is what gets people interested, but your paid product, that's what completes the experience. That's what gives them the real result. And every single one of my and my students' high converting freebies basically has 4 elements. And I call it my GLOW framework. And so I'm going to break it down so you know how you can literally copy and paste. I know I say this a lot, but that's how easy it is. You can copy this, paste it to create your own freebies that are going to make sales and not just attract freebie seekers, okay? And so the GLOW framework goes like this. G is for goal specific. It must solve one clear problem for your exact audience. L stands for linked. Your freebie must be directly linked to your paid product. So it needs to feel like a natural next step. People get your freebie, they consume it, and then they're going to want your digital product. Now, O stands for being outcome focused. It gives your audience a quick win or a visible result that makes them trust you. They need to be able to get some sort of outcome, even if it's small, from your freebie. And W is worth paying for. Your freebie needs to feel so valuable that people would actually pay for it even if it wasn't free. That's the key to an irresistible freebie that actually translates into sales through your emails. And when you do it right, you're going to have buyers lining up to grab your freebie. You're then going to send them the right emails that's going to move them straight into your money making funnel, okay? So more on those emails in a sec, because you can't make any money from the emails that I'm going to show you unless you actually have a way of creating and growing your email list. So how do you do that, right? Because this is a step that you can't skip. You need an email delivery tool. You need an email marketing tool. And my favorite tool to do this, hands down, having tried so many different tools, my favorite tool is Omnisend, okay? And I mentioned at the start, they are sponsoring this video so that I can give you a completely free tutorial on how you can build your freebie page using Omnisend's templates in just a few minutes. So let me give you a very quick tutorial on how I create freebie pages right inside of Omnisend. Okay, so when you click the link below, you're going to land on this page where you can sign up. You can get 30% off for your first 3 months with the code Rochelle, but there are other options here. Now, I actually switched to Omnisend just before Black Friday last year. It was honestly the best thing I ever did. It was super, super quick. And I definitely recommend to do the same if you want to make the most out of any Black Friday campaigns you are running. Okay, so just a quick hack there. I love that Omnisend will completely support your migration. They will move your tags, your contacts, your automations and your templates over for you, which is one less thing for you to worry about, so you can focus on your customers and your campaigns. And so once you sign up, you're going to get to this store page and you have the option to connect your store, which I have done for my Shopify store, but there are other options depending on your platform. And what I love about when I've connected my Shopify store, you can see exactly like what people are looking at in your store in real time. So that's really cool. Now we're going to actually come onto the form section, because this is where we are going to build the page that is going to allow us to start growing our email list and deliver our freebie. Okay. And so I'm just on a test account here for you. I'm just going to click create forms, and they already have a ton of really good templates here. I really like the Omnisend templates. They're really, really nice. And it just reduces the amount of work that you actually have to do. So for now, I'm going to say my goal is to collect subscribers. And once I click that, it kind of filters down the forms for me, lots of different options. I'm actually just going to use this template. Okay. And I'm going to show you how quick this can be. There are so many options for actually personalizing your form on the left, so you can drag and drop any of these things. So it's already got email, and so this form actually has everything I already need. Okay, it already has a title, subtitle, email, button and image. So I'm just going to personalize this form based on my freebie, and so you would do the same. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just update my image. So you can either choose a stock photo or replace it with an image of your actual digital product. So you can see here I'm just adding my actual digital product image like that, and then obviously like I would resize this. Okay, I would resize it based on the image there, but just for this demonstration I'm just going to continue. And then also I would add a title. So I like to add like a really interesting title that's going to give people an idea of what the freebie is actually going to do. So I've said the exact steps to tick off so you can start creating your profitable digital product business. Okay, so this is the copy, and then I will just change the font here. I actually quite like Helvetica, and I'm gonna go for a 14. No, that's too big. Let's go for a 16. So I'm going to go for that size. Okay, so now I've got exact text on what my freebie actually does. And then I would also say something like, where should I send the freebie? Okay, so just that people know that they need to put their email address in. So I'm going to paste this. Where should I send your free checklist? So you can use the exact same description if you want to. All right. Okay, and so I would also update the button. So I just click on this, click button settings, and then you can just kind of choose what color you want for your button. Like I'm a bit of a green girl, so I like it green. And then actually I also want to change the outline as well to be green as well. So this is basically what I would add. I probably would actually change the content. I would change the writing on the button to say something like send now, or even, yes, I'll change it something like send it now. It just kind of gives a bit more urgency. And then all I would do is enable my form. And so once I click enable my form, I would then also set up my workflow. And you can see now that I have a form. I would obviously rename it, but I'd have a form. I would set up the workflow, and then in the workflow, as soon as people submit, they would get an email with my freebie. So that is exactly how you create a freebie page easily that's going to start growing your list. Okay, so now you have a way of people to join your list, but having an email list doesn't automatically make you money, and sending random newsletters or constant sales emails won't make you loads of money either. There's a very specific way to write and send emails that actually make people want to buy from you. The good news is that there are 4 simple formulas for these emails that work every single time. You must send them after your welcome email though. You can use my free template template to literally create your welcome email for you. And then you can move on to these money-making emails. The welcome email is important because people need to know who you are and how you help them. Okay, so email 1 is the vulnerable nurture email. And I love this type of email. It is probably the one where I am able to connect with my audience the most. And if you watch my channel, I've got so many videos talking about it. People need to know, like, and trust you before they're willing to buy from you. So in this email, you really need to share something real, something that your audience can relate to. This is not about having the perfect story. This is about having a real moment that you can share and that your audience can relate to on a human level. For example, right, let's say you're a career coach. You might open up about a time where you felt completely stuck in your junior job or the job that you didn't want anymore, right? And that you were experiencing rejection after rejection in your job interviews, and it really knocked your confidence, okay? The goal here is to normalize whatever your audience is feeling in this moment and remind them that even the most successful people have been where they are. That's why I always say, I know how hard it is to start this business. I have been where you are. This builds trust and connection before you ever start trying to sell or trying to start mentioning your offer. Keep the tone open, keep it really reflective, like actually reflect on the real moments that you've had in this journey. And then if you must include a link to your offer, just make it in the PS. So you tell the story, you share the vulnerable moment, and then you can say something like, PS, I'm sharing this simple system that helped me bounce back from this low point, right? And that's really open. They can either click on that PS or they don't have to. The goal of the email is to build connection. Okay, so the second email is the tee up. This is the one that is all about bringing awareness to the problem that your audience is having. Some of your audience will know that they've got a problem, some may not, okay? And so it is your job sensitively to let them know that, hey, you do have a problem, but I also have a solution. Now, a lot of people don't really know what it is, the exact thing that's keeping them stuck. So it's your job to actually shine a light on it, because once they realize it, they can start to resolve it. So here's an example using the same career coach niche. You might write something like, you've been told the key to landing a better job is applying to lots and lots of roles. But what if that's the actual thing that's holding you back, okay? Actually, the key to them finding a better job might be increasing their skills or increasing their influence. It is your job to help them see the gap between where they are now and where they could be once that real issue is fixed with your solution, your digital product, your service. This email is about building curiosity, but it's also about busting those myths. Like what they think is the issue might not actually be the issue. It's this, and you can help solve them. Okay. Now, with this email, you can add in a link to your product way earlier. You don't have to wait to the PS. So you can say, actually, this is the issue, and I created this that can help to solve it, okay? Even if you don't have a product yet, and let's say you're promoting before your product's ready, you can link to a blog post, you can link to a piece of content you've created, maybe a LinkedIn post, maybe a YouTube video, maybe a freebie, okay? And so that is the really way to build relationships, but also to build sales. If it was me and I was a career coach, I would say something like, do you want to see how I was able to get my clients more interviews without them sending out 100+ applications? I was able to increase their skill level in this, and you can grab it here. That's an example. Okay, so moving on to email 3, which is all about delivering value and soft sales. Now, this value email is all about serving before you sell. And most people think that you need to just keep giving value every single email, give hints and tips. No, okay? You actually need to only teach when it's strategic, and it needs to be short and actionable and genuinely helpful. You're not in there trying to give them a whole lecture. You just need to make sure that they can get a quick win. So again, using the career example, it could be something like, here are 3 quick ways to update your CV so recruiters will actually notice you. Here's a few quick steps, a checklist or a process you can personally use in your next one-to-one. The goal goal here is to give your audience a mini win that builds trust and proves that your method works. By doing this, you can then confidently include a link to your product because you've already given them the value. So it's like, if you want help doing the thing that I just told you should do, here's how we could work together. You can put that in the email, but you can always include a PS, okay? People will scan the email, they will go down to the PS. That should be the place where you should always have your offer, okay? Now, with that value email, they are going to be very open to your sales emails that come next because you've already helped them, you're already delivering value. So email 4 is the direct sales email, okay? And here a lot of people will beat around the bush and they will tell a long story and blah, blah, blah. You don't need to do all that because these emails only come after the other 3. And here you are clearly telling people, this is my offer, this is who it's for, i.e. you, and this is why you should join right now. So it's not about pressurizing them, but it's giving them an urgency reason. Could you give them a bonus? Could you give them maybe a limited time discount? Could you tell them that there are only limited spots available on your coaching program, for example? You know, if I was, again, this career coach, I would say enrollment for my career clarity sprint is now open. We start on Monday. My bonus interview masterclass disappears at midnight tonight, okay? So if you want to get in and you want to get that bonus, you should do it today. So you could do something like that. You need to keep the tone confident. You need to know that you've already earned their trust. Don't shy away from the sale at this point. And you don't send this email often, by the way, guys. I'd say no more than once a month. And normally it's actually over a couple of emails. So make sure you're not doing this all the time. But when you do sell, okay? Because you are helping somebody. The product that you have is problem solving. And so you'd actually be doing your audience a disservice if you don't offer them the product that can help them. And so those are the exact 4 emails that make me sales in my funnel and work on autopilot. But for this to work and for this to make you thousands and thousands of dollars a month, you need to get people to your freebie page so that you can get them on your email list. This is called traffic. And if you want to do this without posting on social media every day, I highly recommend watching the next video on the screen. It's going to show you how to use Pinterest to blow up your email list and bring in more sales. I'll see you there.